Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, make sure File Explorer has focus. Press Alt plus Tab or click it. Once focused, press Ctrl plus W to close the active window or tab. If you have multiple tabs in Windows 11, Ctrl plus W closes only the current tab, so repeat until all tabs are gone. If you prefer to close the entire app at once and the window is focused, press Alt plus F4 instead. Make sure you save any drag and drop operations before closing to avoid lost progress. Continue with the core techniques. Press Alt plus F4 to close the entire File Explorer window quickly. This works reliably across Windows versions. Once done, if File Explorer becomes unresponsive, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer and choose Restart or End Task. That forces a close, then allows a clean restart. Also remember Win plus E opens Explorer immediately, so make sure you use that to verify closures. These alternatives help when Ctrl plus W or Alt plus F4 don't behave as expected. Finish by confirming the closure. Look at the taskbar and Task Manager to ensure no Explorer process remains. Once done, if the desktop or taskbar behaves oddly, open Task Manager and choose Restart on Windows Explorer rather than rebooting. This fixes shell issues fast. If your keyboard shortcuts didn't work, make sure your keyboard layout is correct and sticky keys or accessibility options aren't intercepting combos. If problems persist, try a different USB port or an external keyboard to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.